From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, Nigerian activist and social media personality Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as Verydarkman, has sparked tension on social media after releasing a video that appears to expose gospel singer Chinwo's alleged wrongdoing. The media personality, known for his candid opinions, claimed to have conducted a thorough investigation into the singer's issue with a former record label boss, Eazy-T. In the video he recently posted on Instagram, Verydarkman expressed his disappointment in Chinwo and her team, accusing them of using Christianity as a disguise for their actions.
Alright, so if you remember yesterday when I posted about Chinwo, I said I was going to do more investigation and I will come out with my findings. And to be honest, what I have found so far, I am really disappointed in Chinwo and everything she represents.
According to VDM, Eazy-T seized Chinwo's royalty due to a breach of contract, which included taking shows behind the label's back and failing to remit funds. However, VDM also alleged that Chinwo refused to perform at shows organized by the label, resulting in refunds to clients. This incident, Verydarkman claimed, marked the beginning of the issues between Chinwo and Eazy-T, and the situation escalated when Chinwo petitioned the EFCC, accusing Eazy-T of attempting to forcefully take away her royalties. However, Verydarkman revealed that the case was transferred from Lagos to Ilorin, Kwara State, where Eazy-T was detained for 9 days after refusing to write a statement dictated by IPO Stanley Ojilabo. Eventually, Eazy-T agreed to release Chinwo's royalty, totaling $274,000, but demanded that she account for the funds she earned from performing at shows behind the label's back. VDM added that Chinwo claimed it was just $3,500, but refused an audit to be done on her account. Verydarkman, however, said he's disappointed in Chinwo and everything she represents. He stated, "It's a shame that someone with that level in Nigerian Christian music scene would really do all of this. At the end, nobody holy pass, and like I said before, they are all wearing a mask. At Chinwo, please deny." We will continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.